www.mahamalegacy.com. www.mahamalegacy.com. Okoho. Na se oshia Mr. Mahama wan hwe yawo ho. O de ade bebo na pira no. Se ukọ sa page ho. Na wo hwe niama NDC for ka kire yen so ma ye in 2016. Hey my God. Na se we badwen ba wo ho. Me se NDC for ba so mo be campaign a. O be pamo mo say, "Hey, shit, monko na mo ya atrofo." Sister Dora, these people made it look say they have done all the roads in Ghana. I remember me kai tamwa o ka kire na Akufo-Addo say na do ada na etieti no kwan ni we hu. I remember all those jokes Mahama poked at This is the first time Akufo-Addo for the first time waba out said this time or throw punch to Mahama or paying a little attention. Or paying a little attention. The man who claims say in the green book, me the debia me say either green book, say green book no na win ni bia. What you say? Sister Mpacho, I'm good. Say green book no na ni bia. Internet therefore, but www.mahamalegacy.com. But say we MPA bar. Then he who said say why ya Ghana coin in 90 JM to asono. Okay? After Commander Sugar Factory, I went we. You I don't have a boy. Was signed the Asheni book, Muse. Most of the major roads that were Ghana in no why. One can say, oh, yo, me say Green Book, you people should go and look at what these people claim they left Ghana in. Obi ane what IMF a chere country no wa chere no come wo man ni mu no. Food security index na enko yie mayen no. Na NDC for that die say on man no eko yie. Now, let me give you something. The roads they claim they had done. I remember this because that day I listened to Kaba. May he so rest in peace. I was on Asempa FM listening to Kaba. When the Volta chiefs and other chiefs started complaining, say, ya kwen yo, ya kwen ye.
Ye bu bin ye kasete do mama atake. But enkrani di na do atem no. Mo si na do abanye. Wo freedom fighter mu a wo na do abanye bia wo kwasia. Mami ni matem kakra. Wo twa ne freedom fighter wo si na do abanye wo chimi aboa. Na do tam na egu asphalt. Na do tam ne ye kra no mapaba Ghana ambulance. Na do tam ne twa allowance. Kwasia for doctor for construct sa. What is na do ba president doctor bia construct da. NDC wa ban so the bia doctor for construct. What is say doctor for construct da? What is say doctor for Ghana doctors are construct da? If it's na do be dia kunya. Mama ewo power. Teachers construct, doctors construct, obia construct. Mu chimi o mo na nwene. Na mu nya asa mo ne atomo ayese mu na do aban fi wo ye dan year of return na mo gu hu fi. Nkofo bi nim se na do tam. Year of return bi ba ma obi fa ne bag so oba Ghana. NDC ma entime year of return. Wo ye kura anyefe. Wo ye kura na wo ma. I tell you, na do ba mo company se ba. BMW, Range Rover. Na wo hwe wabrabo. Wo tu aba ma NDC no hwe wabrabo. Ekuro na ofirim no, wo tu aba ma adwamama ba e hot say heaven. CSF na ba mu shade akire no, wo firi north, ono na se wo firi hehe. Wo tu aba ma NDC for how many years? Hwe kuro na ofirim no hwe na brabo. Asa mo no we social media. You guys think say you people you can talk wow. Me man no dey make my catch 5 hours. Make my catch from morning to 6 o'clock. Dey mi an nsuo. Membre. Di samo mo se manu ate. Entimu criticize Akufo-Addo aban. Ni obi kan de Akufo-Addo na entimu no ho ye mo hia. Freedom fighters for minim samo agenda kutam no se. Jamama baba power, jamama de otimi chade. Na omo mu abrochire. Amu ye freedom fighters. Mumu bi mwanya opportunity. Eyi mu cars free. Car na wo pa bi atwa Ghana no. car na upe bi achi wa Ghana na e bia obi akoyi ka untimi nyika unya ska betua duty ukura house en fese Ghana a opese John Mahama bana wo de kasa wo na aye freedom fighter wo na wo kasa ma Ghana e ma Ghana e John Mahama 4 years entimi nya Ghana yo NDC e ma John Mahama ba 4 years ya they can never change Ghana and I quote they can never change Ghana enti mu you to bia mo ya mo se mo ni freedom fighters am ko age Ghana no stop your nonsense. We know how Ghana was and we know who is changing Ghana. Nobody is stupid. Nobody is yanyam kurase de mu bi no mo ye kurase fo nkwasiafo na mo si mo di ban mu church nti mo ye freedom fighters mo ye CSF kwasia me ma me awo me mo tagi wo mo ate me ma me awo me maduru samre wo na ba kire ma brabo mu nyansa de na ma jimi dodo wo na ba kire me Ghana de wasa Ghana de ane ne me nya Ghana ni hello me free ayo me free bolega me free Niger me ya Ghana ni no na be lie to me Ghana how Ghana was no na be lie to me amema hu se Ghana no Akufo-Addo na be se no Akufo-Addo kura ne penso ye asphalt mu chimi dodo mu tie Akufo-Addo penso MPP abamu health insurance ya adwuma NDC ba egui mu yade dodo Akufo-Addo penso obi ko school free mu chimi dodo Akufo-Addo penso no ye di ambulance aba wo Ghana ni bi a wote wa wo ye kurase ni a woni ntiye wote wa ma ambulance ne sei wo wi Akufo-Addo na ehunu amane ana na abanye mu chimi dodo. Why you people are so stupid? Akufo-Addo time ye railways kwan me si mu chimi dodo railways kwan na say how many years na Ghana railway egu ye? I tell you how many years na Ghana railways egu ye? Adamu kasi ye jimi yana ena mo batina freedom fighters ena face the country muni ne mo se wo face mo ntumu jimi me si muni ne mo se you are so called your mothers and your family they didn't even face you guys nti chimi no ya mo se mo na mo kire nyansa but you people cannot educate anybody. Papa na wo didi na tem that Fred na wo kaseti an that Fred ye mu bi na edi atem kura wo mpe obetena social media so a oka na adwene onidi atem ba mu musimo jimi na nidi atem de a musimo jimi na mu ye freedom fighters a mudi jimi na fight magana de a we are all ready for your nonsense enti wodofo ye enta obi a and I mean I don't give any respect to you call yourself freedom fighter what jimi no atem de freedom fighter any own freedom fighter no de atem de na ba de a yesu ye di atem tim bezam ka che freedom fighters for self agenda bia we know who is behind. We know who is behind you guys. Orofo mon kan hu sanam wo enkura bia mu treni wo mu emu bia jai because say mo they lie to you guys say ye beba power ye beba mu say etimo mo agenda mo de freedom fighter no enye Ghana nti mu freedom fighter agenda no nobody